What's going on, guys? Today something a little special for you. We have a GMMG Camaro. This is the last one built. This is a one-of-one car known as the PR1 car. It has 525 horse. It is a 35th anniversary convertible. This car has 6,000 miles on it. Very, very rare, in pristine condition. I mean, not a nick or a blemish on this car that I can find anywhere. It still has the original tires, 6-speed manual. Just a really, really awesome car. Just a shame that they never went any further than this. This is actually the last one ever built. So it was such a cool run, and they did a lot of cool stuff with these cars. But this signifies kind of the end of an era with these. And this is a great example of the last one built. So come check it out at the Classic Car Collective. We can put it in your driveway. Thanks for watching.